Are you still worried about identifying target market or discovering the selling points of your products? Here's an Amazon product comparison tool to help you. This is a proprietary algorithmic tool created exclusively by our 4Seller team. It can help you understand market demand, product pros and cons, and make better business decisions by comparing information such as prices, sales rankings, and reviews. It can also help you find similar products on Amazon, improve your understanding of the market, and find the unique selling points of your products. Before starting, we should first understand how to find the tool entry quickly and accurately. Find the Chrome App Store, type 4Seller in the search bar, and click Add Extension after you have successfully installed the extension. Here are 4 handy ways to quickly enter the tool interface. First, click the building block button in the upper right corner of the browser. Second, click the 4Seller logo in the lower right corner. Third, directly enter the official website address 4seller.com. And last, right-click to find 4Seller tool after opening the product detailed pages. Next comes the most important part. It is my pleasure to demonstrate how to use this tool. The usage of Amazon product comparison is simple. You just need to enter the ASIN or URL of the product you want to compare in the tool and click the search button. It will display information about other similar products, which can help you make better decisions based on the comparison. On this interface, you can view product information, price, review, rating, and can also use various other convenient tools autonomously developed by our 4Seller team, such as cost-profit calculation, searching for similar products, and finding sources. Additionally, when you hover your mouse over the downward-facing arrow, a new page will display the average rating of reviews for the product, the total number of reviews, and the distribution of reviews from 1 star to 5 stars. In this way, it will show you customer feedback on the product, so as to identify parts for you that should be avoided or improved. If you are interested in this tool, please like it or share it with your friends. Don't wait, let's search it.